It's after 6. Pat's crawling home. And I'm leaving. Ah, got dust all over my hair. Okay. Oh. So there's going to be no walking going on today. But lots of people walk around here, as you can see. We got ourselves a rainbow here.
Oh, this is beautiful.
This is in Gladwyne. And we go downhill so long. It's raining, but it's not enough to get me wet. It's around 6:30 p.m. August 31st, 2020. Me down. My friend said, "Oh, it might be around here," and then the mask was right there. So looks like I gotta wash it again, but that's okay. Well, it's 8:56. We're at 63rd Street. I lost my mask, so I have an emergency one, but I need to get a cloth one so I can breathe and shit.